In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to take a Photoshop document that has a ton of layers and make it into one actual thing. So I would recommend doing like a file save as or save a copy. So you have two of these. So let's do a save. Let's just say I didn't even save it all. So save as. Let's do example. I will say B. See, the first one was A. All right. So you want to make sure that you have your actual Photoshop document, and then you want one that is that's exported as an actual document. All right, so you'll find if you go and you try to save as, you have a limited amount of things because it's a Photoshop, so it has different layers. It's actually a Photoshop, not a picture, right? So if you actually wanted to make this into a picture, if you actually want to make this into a picture, you need to flatten it out, right? You need to get rid of all of your layers, okay? So what you would do is you would choose a layer, press shift, press all of your, get them all, right? And then you right click and it says flatten image. Okay, so now it's actually something you can download. So you go file and you can do a save as, and now you'll see you have a ton of different things you can do, right? You can make it into a JPEG, you can make it into all different things. Let's make it into a JPEG. Okay, so now I'm saving it. Like, how big do I want it? Excellent. All right, so now I have it as a JPEG. So if I wanted to go back and undo it, I would just go and look for, I would just open it. There we go. There's my Photoshop file. See, it has PS on it. It's Photoshop file. And I open that up, and now I'm back to my original. So I made a copy, I flattened it, and then I downloaded it. Okay, so that's how you're going to actually get an image out of here.